Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a driver that wants to find how long it takes to fill their vehicle using the unit of volume from the tank, liters, and the pump rate, liters per second. Derive the formula for time. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We have a vehicle, we've got a tank, and we've got a pump. We are filling the tank with the pump. Okay, next, list all your given variables and the unknown. This will help you figure out formulas. In this case, we've got symbols, no actual values, but that's okay because we're trying to find the formula. Step 2, find the formula for time. T is time and the unit is seconds, so it is S. We've got V is volume, which is in liters, and we've got volume flow rate, which is V dot. The dot above the V is flow rate, and the V itself is volume. This may be your first time being introduced to it. So it is in liters per second. Okay, so we make T the subject, and we just got to figure out which one is on the numerator and which one's on the denominator. So using our units, we can cancel out the units to find seconds. So in this case, we're going to put regular volume, so V on top, and then V dot on bottom, the volume flow rate. So as you can see, we've got liters divided by liters per second. Since the second is a double division, it will be brought up top, as you can see. Now, where did this 1 divided by 1 come from? It is from liters divided by liters. So anything divided by itself becomes 1. And as you can see, even more simplified, it's just 1 multiplied by S, which is seconds. So now that we figured out the unit and how it corresponds to time, we also know the formula to figure out the time using volume and volume flow rate. Okay, so that is the final answer. So T is equal to V divided by V dot. Okay, so disclaimers. I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. This should be a very simple equation, but in further videos, it will be more complex. So just be aware and just try it yourself. And before we leave, I encourage you to save this video. So just in case it gets taken down, however, it does meet all the originality and copyright rules, so it should be fine. But just in case, use your snipping tool. I'm sure you're all familiar. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent. So it will be in your taskbar. If not, search it using the Windows search. And then you can follow along if you've never used it before. Click the video option, click new, and then left click drag the rectangle on the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Click the start button, wait for the countdown, replay the video until it finishes. Click the red square to stop recording, and then you can save your video. Alright, like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they won't know how to find it. Until next time, see ya.